Bikini Brooke. Make sure to follow her on Instagram. Her link is below the video. All right, guys, let's get started. The Razer Black Widow Chroma comes in very cool packaging. You can see Brooke removing it from the box. It has 2 USBs, a headphone jack, and a microphone jack. As soon as you plug them into your computer, the software installation process will begin. On the right side of the keyboard, it has one input for a USB, one output for a headphone, and one input for a microphone. Inside the packaging, you will find a black envelope with a green card that says, "Congratulations, there is no turning back," along with another green card for exclusive rewards, and also the booklet. We also found 2 stickers that remind me of a tattooed tramp stamp. First thing you'll notice about the keyboard, it's extremely bright with 16.8 million colors. The keyboard comes with 6 different lighting modes that are controllable from the application. Number 1 is breathing mode. The color will fade in and fade out like the keyboard is breathing. You can also select the color which you'd like to display. Number 2 is reacting mode. As you type, each key stays lit for a certain amount of seconds. Number 3 is spectrum cycling mode. The keyboard will cycle through all 16.8 million colors. Pretty cool effect. Number 4 is static mode. Pretty boring. It just stays one color. All colors are selectable from the 16.8 million colors. Number 5 is ripple mode. Reminds me of throwing a rock into a pond. You hit a key, as you can see Brooke is, and the colors go away from that point in a ripple effect. Number 6 is my favorite, wave mode. You can see the full spectrum waving across the keyboard. It can be selectable from left to right or right to left. The keyboard comes with mechanical switches. You can hear Brooke typing on the keyboard right now. This keyboard is a great keyboard for any serious gamer. It will match your rig and definitely stand out and get you the attention you deserve. So there's 5 major reasons I decided to go with the Razer Black Widow Chroma keyboard. Number 1 is the brightness. This thing is super bright. My previous keyboard, only way to see it, it's pretty sad. You have to turn off the lights and play in the dark. With this keyboard during daylight or a room right now that's super lit up, you can see this thing. It's going to grab a lot of attention. Very cool. You know, matches the lighting in my gaming rig, so that's very cool. So it also lights up like my computer, so that's definitely a high priority for me on selecting a new keyboard. Number 2 are the color options. You can pick, out of 16.8 million colors, you can get any color you want. So you're not stuck with just a green like some other keyboards, or just a blue, a basic. You can pick any color you like. Pretty sweet. Number 3 is the software interface on the computer. You can adjust every key, so you can pick whatever color you want for any key to match your gaming profile for a particular game. It's going to help you obviously get to those keys faster, game better, have a better gaming experience. That's very cool. Those profiles, you can save and load different ones depending what game you're playing. Very cool. On top of that, on the programming, there's these effects, this rainbow effect. I showed you the other effects earlier in the video. Very cool. You can play around with effects, have more fun with it. Obviously get more attention and something extra that's cool to play with on top of that. The user interface software, very easy to use, very user friendly. Didn't even read the manual, just went in there, started programming, playing with the colors, playing with the keys. Real happy with that. I didn't need to read some crazy manual to use it, and that's another thing that's very cool. Number 4 would be the styling of the keyboard. Just all flat black, very simple. No chrome, not blinged out. That matches my gaming rig. I want something very simple, where just the colors really stand out. There's nothing else in the way of that, and that keyboard has this. The 5th thing, obviously mechanical switches. Any gaming setup is going to need mechanical switches, because they have faster input. You're going to be able to game better and do faster. So that's another thing I was obviously looking for. So this keyboard has all those things, so I'm real happy with my purchase. I researched a lot of keyboards and thought this was the best one. I'm very happy with it. I'd recommend it to all my friends. Make sure to check out my website, www.captmorg.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All the links for those are underneath the video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate it. And also give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down. We love your feedback. Make sure to leave a comment what you liked, what you didn't like. If you want Bikini Brooke to be in my next video, let me know so I can make that happen. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you guys soon.